Did you know that the man who saved Europe from total destruction was murdered by the very emperor he served? Meet Aetius, the last great Roman general who held a crumbling empire together for 30 years. Here's the twist. Aetius was half Vandal and had lived as a hostage among the Huns as a young man. He learned their fighting tactics and even earned the respect of their future leader, Attila. This knowledge would prove crucial when Attila invaded Europe, earning the terrifying nickname Scourge of God. In 451, Aetius pulled off the impossible. He united Romans with their sworn enemies, Visigoths, Franks, and other tribes, into one massive coalition. At the Battle of Chalons, this unlikely alliance stopped Attila's horde and saved European civilization, but success bred jealousy. On September 21st, 454, Emperor Valentinian stabbed Aetius to death during a palace meeting, fearing his general's growing power. An advisor warned the emperor, "You have cut off your right hand with your left." Within months, Valentinian was assassinated and the Western Roman Empire collapsed forever.